first pass, and he's going to make several. Take pictures, okay? Hey, how you doing? Now the 49th Fighter Wing is based at Holloman Air Force Base, New Mexico, with a detachment at Langley Air Force Base, Virginia. They flew to do so much as blink. With devastating results. Take pictures of that thing. It looks like a toy, doesn't it? With the F-117, it is not necessary for the Air Force to launch an armada of aircraft to complete a mission. For example, it's like the thing from War of the Worlds. We got to get the smoke oil guys, the smoke oil people, to get over to the snowbirds. They need more smoke oil in their airplanes. So the people with the smoke oil, if you would kindly get to the snowbirds airplanes, they got to be re-smoked. So if you get right over there, the SO guys are looking for you and they can't find you. The smoke oil truck, please get over to the snowbirds. They got to be re-smoked. Span of 137 feet wings forward, or 78 feet wings fully swept. B-1s are stationed at Grand Forks Air Force Base, North Dakota, Ellsworth Air Force Base, South Dakota, McConnell Air Force Base, Kansas, and this airplane this weekend from Dyess Air Force Base in Texas. Aurora is from the 415 Squadron, the 415 Squadron, is Ed Slowinski from Winnipeg, who's the pilot. Just the other side of Detroit. If you're not taking pictures, give them a big wave as you go by.